So what we look to do during this short video for 4 to 5 minutes is look to identify some high probability trading opportunities and looking at the price points that are really important for us to be able to capitalize on some of these opportunities. So before we start, if we could start us with our risk warning, please do familiarize yourselves with the risks involved in trading these financial markets and take a moment to familiarize yourself with our risk warning. Okay, so let's go ahead and discuss some high probability trading opportunities that we'll be looking at for the day ahead. So without further ado, let's refer to our first opportunity, which is in the pound dollar. So we had Barnier in Europe be very open to a soft Brexit, which has been very favorable for the British pound, as you can see, just showing you on a bigger time frame. And if we zoom right in, you can see the explosive move that we've seen in a relatively short period of time. And then we've seen some sort of continuing over the course of yesterday evening. Now, the price that we're looking at, we do have this downward channel. So the pound has been very, very bearish up to this point. So we are quite close to a really strong level, which is the 30.50 level, which could provide a lot of resistance. So what we're suggesting is if this market breaks above the 30.50 level, just above this level here, 30.55, then we might be looking for opportunities for continuation in the British pound. So we'll keep a close eye on it and see if an opportunity reveals itself. Now, continuing with our view that the dollar Swiss is going to continue to sell off, we're in this on a daily time frame through our capital growth webinar every evening at 9 p.m. And as you can see, we're getting a really strong continuation. Now, from a technical perspective, it's a fantastic trade. It's a structural failure below the 97.90 level, and we're just trading this to the downside. So really, if we get a break beneath today's low tomorrow, we'll be looking for continuation in the dollar Swiss, somewhere around the 9,700. So below the 9,700, we'll be looking for continuation in the dollar Swiss. So those are our two currency markets, and I suppose it's worthwhile just referencing the moves that we've seen in the US equities. We've seen a major move in the S&P continuing higher, getting closer to that all-time high, but we're at the 29.16 level, and a break above that we're likely to see continuation. But however, please do be careful. We're still trading summer markets, so protect yourselves at all times. And the Nasdaq is at an all-time high, and we would expect continuation, but do be mindful that these markets could reverse as quickly as they gain. So we are looking for opportunities, but we are going to err on the side of caution with those markets as well. So that just effectively concludes today's daily trade watch. So we're looking for a couple of equity pairs. We're looking to buy the Nasdaq above the 76.62. We're looking to buy the S&P above 29.16. And then if we finish off with just a brief review of our dollar Swiss trade, looking to sell this market below 0.9700, and with the pound looking to just see if we clear these levels of resistance, and if it starts trading up above 30.55, it might give us a good opportunity to buy this market and completely change our previous bias, which was to the downside. So when things change, you as a trader also need to be able to have the flexibility to look for opportunities, as long as you do your analysis and your due diligence. Okay, so that just about concludes then today's daily trade watch. Feel free to connect with us through our YouTube channel. Just search for the live trade room. We are live on our YouTube channel at 8 a.m. every morning and 1 p.m. every afternoon, trading the European and the US Open. So hopefully you can join us for that. And you can also connect with us through our Facebook page and Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. The details are all there up on screen. So thank you as always for joining us. Do take care, and we look forward to seeing you next time. So for everyone here at the Live Trade Room, bye for now.